Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the opacity of the drawing overlay or the drawing feature in CapCut Mobile. So here I'm using a photo and I'm going to just add the drawing. So click on text and swipe, then click on draw. Here choose the type of pen or brush or type of pattern that you want. For example, I'm going to use these patterns right here. So to change the opacity here's the size. You can change the size in here and opacity in here. Okay, I'm going to go with 100 first. Let's try to draw it like this. This is for 100 opacity. And let's change the opacity, for example, to 50. Let's draw again. You can see it is different from the this one is 100 and the right side is 50. Okay, so that's how you can change the opacity of the drawing feature. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.